back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out. Green flag out of turn number 4. McReynolds and Scooby going to lead the way. Down into turn 1 goes McReynolds. He's going to slide up, try to slam the door shut on Scooby. Scooby to the outside. He's going to tuck right there in the second spot. 6 laps of distance here in heat race number 1. First lap in the books, give it to Evan Mack. Second spot going to be Stephen Atkins Jr. Third spot going to be TJ Salango. Fourth spot will be Eddie Hambert. Fifth spot's going to be Matthew Light. 2 laps down the book, still the 34 machine out front. Salango going to whip that thing around the top side of the speedway, trying to find some sort of momentum. He's going to lose touch with the other 18 of Scooby as he tries to run a slider line of 3 and 4. He's going to lose a little bit of ground to the 34. That's going to allow the other 18 machine of TJ Salango to gain up to the inside. Salango now going to dive down to the bottom side of the speedway. Try something a little different down there. Can't find any speed as he's going to lose touch with the 18, and here comes fast Eddie Hambrick. He's going to close up for the third spot. Just 2 laps left to go here in heat race number 1. One more time around for Evan Mack. Out to almost a 2-second lead over the 18 of Scooby as the checkered flag is out. Give heat race number 1 to Evan McReynolds. You guys do not have to go through the infield if you do not want to. Heat race number 2 on the speedway. Kenny Rucker and Matthew Porter going to lead the way. Green flag is out. Kenny Rucker going to lead the way. Jacob Rucker going to look to the inside of Porter. They're going to go side by side for the second spot. They're going to stay door handle to door handle in turns 3 and 4. Give the advantage to Porter at the flag stand. Porter going to run hard down into 1 and 2. He's going to shove up. That's going to leave the door open for Jacob Rucker. They're going to drag race down the back straightaway into 3 and 4. Rucker on the bottom side. Porter going to work the high line. Give the advantage still to Porter. Great racing action here for the second spot as Porter going to shove up again. That's going to leave the door open. Rucker unable to make the pass. Cross flags are out halfway home here in heat race number 2. Kenny Rucker out in cruise control in the K54 machine. Popsicle sticks are in the air, just 2 more laps around, and Jacob Rucker going to lose the hand on it. Rucker going to lose the handle. He's going to stay right there in the third spot. White flag is out one more time around for Kenny Rucker. Checker flag is out. Heat race number 2 going to Kenny Rucker. Second spot's going to go to Matthew Porter. Third spot to Jacob Rucker. Fourth spot will be Jim Radar, and Robert Roberts will be fifth. Youngster out of Warcliffe, West Virginia, Connor New, iRacing ace, looking to win his first heat race here in that 10 machine from that outside front row. Team 10 been on dig here the last couple weeks. As we were on green out of turn 4. Sears going to lead the way down into turn 1. He's going to slide up. The 10 machine going to look to the outside. Levin's going to work that middle line as they bring Bubba the top 4, trying to stretch away. New now going to look to the inside. Sears going to get that run off the top. He's going to gap him down the front straightaway. They're going to try to go side by side now for the 3rd spot. Bubba looking to the inside of Blevins and make the pass down the back straightaway. Connor New going to continue to work that low line and try to reel in your race leader, Zach Sears. Sears moving up a little bit higher on the racetrack as he goes down the back straightaway and continues to extend that race lead now to almost a 2-second lead. 2 laps left to go here in heat race number 1 for the Sport Mods. White flag is out one more time around. Bubba going to look to the inside. He's going to have one more shot at it for the 3rd spot. He's going to think better of it. Checker flag is out on 7. Checker flag. Checker flag is out. Are out. We're going to go green flag racing out of turn number 4. Pair of veterans on the front row, Harley Martin and Bryce Ryan. Green, green, green. Green flag is out and we're underway. Harley Martin going to lead him down into turn 1. He's going to slide up and block that line from Bryce Ryan, give the race lead to Harley Martin. Bryce Ryan going to work down to the bottom. Looks to the inside. The 5 machine of Andrew Bay's got a whole handful of steering wheel out of turn 4. That's going to allow that top 3 to break away. Two veterans and a young upstart in the 3rd spot. Does Hunter New have anything for the 2 veterans in front of him as he works to the bottom side of the speedway? Bay still fighting a loose race car in that 4th spot. Popsicle sticks are in the air. 2 more laps left to go for laps the distance. All right, guys, 5 laps coming to you. Green flag is out. Green, green, green. Green flag is out and we're underway. Greco going to lead him down into turn 1. Dirk Snuffer going to look to his inside in the 30 machine. Greco going to wash up the speedway. That's going to leave the door open as they're going to go side by side down the back straightaway. Into turn 3 and 4. Greco going to work the high line. Snuffer on the bottom. Here comes the D11 machine to make it a 3-horse race. Oh, so Greco done went so fast he tore the right front off of it. Caution flag going to come out for debris. Debris down to turn 1, guys. Debris down to turn 1.
Exploded.
Chris Mills and Travis Mills, two brothers, going to battle it out here in the 30 cars. Green, green, green. Green flag is out. Chris Mills going to lead the way. Here comes Travis, shot out of a cannon. Travis going to get tight, shove up the racetrack. That's going to leave the door open for Chris. He's going to extend out that race lead to about 2 car lengths down the back straightaway. Oh, man, Travis letting her all hang out in turn 4. He does not want to get beat by little brother. Oh, Chris is losing the handle. That's going to leave the door open for Travis down the back straightaway. Chris going to shove the hill down the cut down line, give the race lead to Travis Mills at the line. Older brother just big brothered him in turn 4. Chris driving the wheels off that thing trying to catch him, but Travis going to extend out the race lead down the back straightaway to almost 2 seconds as they come across the line, and there goes Chris. Keep her going, keep her going, keep her going. Chris Mills losing the hand on 3 and 4, able to keep her going. White flag in the air one more time around. Oh. It's on you, 30. Green, green, green. Green flag is out. We're back underway for one lap shootout. Be a green-white checker. Coming to the white flag, guys. Coming to the white flag. White flag is out one more time around. Checker flag is out for Travis Mills in the 30 machine. Second spot will go to Stone Webb in the 13. And hopefully Chris can get that thing fixed before the feature event.